Welcome to Mastering the Chronology of the Book of Mormon. During the next few minutes, I will review some of the features of this program and how to effectively use the iBooks interface. Let's begin by touching the book. This is the first section entitled Genealogy of the Book of Mormon. To view the first page associated with this section, touch the lower left screen. This will enlarge the graphic, displaying it full screen. To advance to another section, simply touch the screen with one finger. This will display the control panel at the top of the page. Touch the Table of Contents button, which returns you to the previous page. At the bottom of this page are circular buttons which represent each of the sections of this iBook. To advance to a section, touch a button. Let's touch several buttons and see what happens. You can now advance to each section by touching your finger on the screen and scrolling right or left or right. Let's examine Section 2, the first book of Nephi. Touch the page at the bottom left of the screen. The graphic of the Book of Mormon contains a link to the full text of this book found at lds.org. To view the text, touch the link. The first book of Nephi appears on the screen. To read the text, go to the chapter of interest by touching the chapter number, and then scroll up or down to view the entirety of the chapter. To return to iBooks, double-touch the on and off button on the iPad located just above where you'd insert the power cord. This screen will appear. Touch the iBooks icon to take you back to the page you were viewing before going to the Internet. Now scroll to the right. You will see each chapter number with bullet points that summarize key themes of the chapter. If you would like to listen to and read the text from a specific chapter, touch the audio link below the chapter heading. This will take you to lds.org. To play the audio, touch the play button. When you finish listening, touch the pause button. To view the text while you're listening to the audio, scroll down the page. To return to iBooks, touch 2 times the on and off button on the iPad. Touch the iBooks icon to return to the page you were viewing. There are some nice features associated with iBooks. To view these, touch the screen to view the drop-down menu. Let's touch the starburst icon on the top right of the screen. This allows you to change the brightness of the screen. Next, touch the search icon. Type in a search name such as Lehi, and then select Lehi. This screen displays all of the references to Lehi in the book. You can also search the web or Wikipedia for this term as well. Now touch the Bookmark button. If you would like to bookmark a page, touch the Add Bookmark. On the left upper panel, touch the Highlight tab. This screen appears. This screen has instructions for creating highlights and notes. Let's see how this works by returning to the previous page and highlighting some text. To close this page, touch Done. To highlight text, you simply need to touch the screen with your finger and drag your finger over the text you wish to highlight. Now touch one of the lines you have highlighted. This box appears. Let's see what the functions are. To change the color of the text, touch a different color circle. To underline the text, touch the Underline button. To write a note, touch the Note button. This screen appears. Type your note. Touch the continuing arrow and you can then copy, search, or share the highlighted text. Now touch the page to show the control panel at the top. Touch the Notes icon. This screen displays a list of the chapters. The Note icon next to the chapter name indicates where you have highlighted text. Let's select Chapter 2. Notice the replication of the highlighted note. If you would like to view the note within the book, touch the right arrow. Let's now touch the Table of Contents button by first touching the screen with one finger, displaying the control panel at the top. Now let's see what happens when we view the program in the portrait mode. The portrait mode has some features which are not present in the landscape mode. However, there are also some limitations. The main difference between the two display modes is that the portrait mode displays text, but not graphics. The features in the portrait mode are as follows. The table of contents looks similar to a printed book. The graphics are no longer present. For example, when I touch Section 1, Genealogy of the Book of Mormon, the graphic is not displayed. I can increase or decrease the size of the text. The search function is present, as is the add bookmark function. The notes function lists the notes, but also allows you to select study cards. If you do not desire to view the book in the portrait mode, simply change the orientation of the screen to the landscape mode, then lock in the position by moving the button located above the volume control so the red dot is displayed on the side of the iPad. I hope you enjoyed this program. If you have any comments, I can be reached at grdevore@gmail.com. Thank you.